Good morning, children. We have finished the fungi kingdom. Now we have to discuss the plantae. The first group of the plantae is algae thylophyta. The algae, the technical term, the common term for the algae means photosynthesis. Algae means the common term for the algae, we use the photosynthetic form. Photosynthetic form. In all the group we have discussed about the algae. For example, in the Monera, the blue-green algae is there, the cyanobacteria. In the Protista, the golden algae we have discussed. In the plantae, we discussed in the algae we have discussed the group, the green, red and brown algae. So these are the algae we have discussed already in the different group. We have to discuss only the green, red and brown that are included in the plantae kingdom. And the plantae kingdom, the first one is algae. Now we discuss the characteristics of the algae. Number one, the algae are aquatic. Aquatic, they are found in the fresh water as well as marine water. Next, they perform the photosynthesis. It means they are autotrophic. They prepare the food in the presence of sunlight, means they have the pigment chlorophyll. Next, when they are autotrophic, the chlorophyll is present. Chlorophyll present. Next, number one, they are unicellular. They have unicellular sex organs. And sex organs are not covered or not jacketed. No cover on the sex organ. So they are uncovered, unjacketed, non-jacketed. Next one, the gametophyte as well as sporophyte. The gametophyte as the sporophyte, both phases are there, and the both phases are there. The dominant phase is gametophyte. Means during the life cycle, the organism has to pass through both the phases. But the dominant phase, the long life phase is gametophyte. They have different type of algae, the green, red and brown. Due to the presence of type of pigments, they are of different color. For example, the chlorophyll A, is present in all algae. We know the chlorophyll are of 9 types, but the A and B are most prominent. Chlorophyll A and B are found in green algae chlorophyceae. Example, Euglena. Next, the chlorophyll A and C are found in. Chlorophyll A is found in all type of algae. Chlorophyll A and B are found in the green algae. Green algae, chlorophyceae. And the chlorophyll A and C are found in brown algae, Phaeophyceae. Phaeophyceae means brown algae. The Phycocyanin and phycoerythrin pigments along with the chlorophyll A are found in red algae. So red algae called rhodophyceae. So these are the different type of algae. They have the different color due to having the different type of plastids, pigments and chlorophyll. So we discuss these algae. The Thallophyta Plantae group. The first group is Plantae, the Thallophyta. The first group is algae. We have started the Plantae, the plant group. The first group is Thallophyta. Among the Plantae, Thallophyta, Bryophyta, Pteridophyte, Gymnosperm, Angiosperm. And the first group Thallophyta, the first one is algae. So algae, we have discussed in the last just now the different type of algae. The first we have to discuss the green algae. The green algae is called Chlorophyceae. Its green color is due to the presence of chlorophyll A, B, carotene and xanthophyll. The form's structure. It is unicellular and motile. Motile means the flagella are found for the movement. Example, Chlamydomonas. The non-motile unicellular is Chlorella. So first form is unicellular and the second form is branched. Filamentous. Second form is filamentous, thread-like, filament-like, unbranched. Filamentous like this type, no branching is there. Example, Eulothrix and Spirogyra. Next one is filamentous but branched. Filamentous and branched are example Cladophora. Filamentous unbranched, filamentous branched. Next colonial form. Colonial form, the found in the group or bunch. Example, Volvox. Next umbrella shape. Umbrella shaped is Acetabularia. So these are the different forms of the algae: unicellular, motile, unicellular non-motile, filamentous unbranched, filamentous branched, colonial and umbrella shape. And the next one, the cell wall. The cell wall is a two-layer. Cell wall is a double layer or two-layered. The outer one is outer and inner cell wall. The outer cell wall is made up of pactate and the inner one is cellulose. So the outer one made up of pactate, the chemical, and the inner one is inner cell wall is made up of cellulose as found in the other higher plants. The reserve food material, these points, all points we have to discuss in all the algae. Pigment, forms, cell wall, reserve food material, and the sexual reproduction we have to discuss in all type of algae, red, green and brown algae. So the reserve food is pyrenoid. The reserve food is pyrenoid embedded in the chloroplast. So pyrenoid means the protein. For example, this is the protein molecule covered by starch in the form of flour. So outer side is the starch and the inner circular is protein. So this is the structure of reserve food material, pyrenoid. Next, the flagella. Flagella are, because the motile we have discussed, the unicellular fungi, the Chlamydomonas have the flagella. So the flagella mostly one or two. The flagella is found in the motile algae. So they are found mostly one or two. But sometimes in the spores, sometimes it may be four. Sometimes the four flagella also present in the spore. They are found, already we have discussed, they are found in the algae, found in the aquatic, in the fresh water and marine water. It is found in the fresh water. Chlorophyce is not found in the marine water. Fresh water may be lake, pond, river, etc. And found in habitat. It is habitat found in fresh water, lake, pond, etc. And few are parasitic. Few chlorophyce member are parasitic. Now we discuss the reproduction in the chlorophyce. There the habitat we discussed, the fresh water, lake, pond and few are parasitic. So the habitat is fresh water, few are parasitic and some are epizoic. Epizoic means they grow on other animal. Not the parasite, epiphytically, externally they are present, other organism. Not harm the other organism. So epizoic, it is found, the few examples are found on the body of other organism. For example, in the shell of the snail, sloth, etc. So these are the habitat. Now we discuss the reproduction.